Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we delve into the unexpected rise in December jobs growth and steady unemployment rates. We'll discuss medical properties trust stock plunge to a decade low, Florida's FDA approval for mass drug imports from Canada, and France's largest supermarket chain backing Carrefour's PepsiCo ban. We'll also explore Microsoft potentially overtaking Apple as the world's most valuable company and a U.S. congressman's push for DEA to reclassify marijuana. Stay tuned as we cover today's biggest stock movers, including Palantir, Peloton, Medical Properties Trust, and more. Plus, get insights on NVIDIA's potential $100 billion free cash flow generation over the next 2 years, according to BofA predictions. And finally, we'll reveal why the biggest jobs news wasn't in the employment report at all. Don't go anywhere. After this short ad break, we will dive deep into these headlines. Shares in Medical Properties Trust experienced a significant drop of 31.3% as a result of unpaid rents from its tenant, Steward Healthcare System. The real estate investment trust is stepping in with a bridge loan amounting to $60 million to H. Steward, which currently owes $50 million in rent arrears. In addition, Medical Properties Trust is forecasting a non-cash charge for the fourth quarter that could reach approximately $225 million due to write-offs and other related expenses.
In December, job growth in the United States surpassed expectations, with an addition of 216,000 new positions as opposed to the forecasted 170,000. Significant increases were observed in sectors such as government and healthcare. However, a decline was noted in transportation and warehousing. Despite this expansion in employment opportunities, the unemployment rate held steady at 3.7%. The sudden increase in jobs has led to worries about potential inflation overshooting. In response to this report, there was a minor decrease observed in stock index futures and treasury bonds. If economic strength persists, experts indicate that another hike in interest rates could be on the horizon.
The Food and Drug Administration has given the green light to Florida's appeal for importing substantial amounts of medications from Canada, a precedent in the United States. This authorization, valid for 2 years, could potentially result in savings of up to $150 million for Florida during its initial year. It primarily targets drugs used to treat conditions such as HIV, AIDS, diabetes, and hepatitis C. Despite this progress, potential legal obstacles may arise from pharmaceutical corporations and industry lobbying groups.
Shares of PepsiCo are experiencing a decline as two major French supermarket chains, Carrefour and E. Leclerc, have decided to pull their products off the shelves in response to increased prices. The chairman of E. Leclerc, Michel-Edouard Leclerc, is backing this decision and is encouraging other retailers across Europe to do the same. As a result of these actions, PepsiCo's stock has seen a decrease of approximately 2% during Friday afternoon's trading session.
Microsoft is nearing Apple's position as the globe's highest valued corporation, boasting a market capitalization of $2.73 trillion compared to Apple's $2.83 trillion. As worries mount over iPhone sales and broader economic strains, Microsoft is making strides thanks to its encouraging prospects in artificial intelligence and fresh developments such as the Copilot AI button on its Windows keyboard.
United States Representative Steve Cohen is urging the Drug Enforcement Administration to hasten its evaluation of marijuana status under the Controlled Substances Act. He supports the idea of demoting marijuana from a Schedule I to a Schedule III substance, in line with suggestions made by the Department of Health and Human Services in the previous year. This development occurs amidst market instability for cannabis firms such as Canopy Growth and Tilray, leading up to the 2024 United States elections.
Stock futures are on the rise this Friday. Peloton shares have seen a significant jump of 7% in pre-market trading, following the announcement of a partnership with TikTok. Sana Biotechnology is also experiencing a surge, with an increase of 13% after receiving FDA clearance for its new drug application. However, not all stocks are faring as well. Medical Properties Trust has taken a hit, falling by 22% due to financial complications with its largest tenant, Steward Healthcare System. Voyager Therapeutics has also dipped by 17%, following the pricing of an underwritten public offering. Lastly, Palantir Technologies saw a drop of nearly 4% after Jefferies downgraded it due to overhyped AI claims.
NVIDIA, a prominent figure in the field of artificial intelligence, is projected to produce approximately $100 billion in free cash flow during the years 2024 and 2025. This prediction comes from Bank of America analyst Vivek Arya. The potential influx of cash could enhance returns for shareholders and provide funds for future acquisitions. Despite an unsuccessful bid to take over ARM Holdings, NVIDIA's stock experienced a 1.2% increase in early trading on Friday.
Non-farm payrolls experienced a robust increase in December. However, the market reaction was more influenced by an unforeseen decline in the Institute for Supply Management's Non-Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index, also known as ISM PMI. The employment component of this index plummeted notably to 43.3, signifying contraction and contradicting forecasts of a minor rise. This trend implies potential moderation in the labor market and a surge in layoffs as businesses strive to reduce expenses amidst economic instability. And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay savvy, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, keep thriving. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Let's part ways for now, until tomorrow arrives.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.